Hey guys, welcome back to our channel TechTube. Today in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can make search option in Google Maps. So I'll be teaching you guys a very easy step, and if you have any query just let me know in the comment section right away. And now just follow me guys. So firstly, what you need to do is to make a search or anything like this, just go to your Google Maps, and then let's say I want to search a place which is this this particular location I want to search. So I'm just lost in the maps like this, and I want to search that particular location. I know the name but I don't know where it is. So what I do is, over here you'll be having a search bar. So to go over here and just search for the location like this, and then it will locate you to that particular location like this. So this is how you make search option in Google Maps. So thank you for watching our video guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel, and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. If you have any queries, just let me know in the comment section right away, and I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe guys. Thank you for watching.